Hey, what's up? This is Jake Martin with Landis and Associates, bringing you a feature update on QuickBooks Online. There's a new feature called Tags. This has been around for a few months now, but they rolled it out progressively, so not everyone had it at first. You should all have it now. What are tags? Tags are a flexible way to flag a transaction and track custom metrics. It's completely custom, and there's no real rules for how to use it. It can be used on any transaction type, and you can have multiple tags for each transaction. Just to show you where it is, if you go to a transaction, let's say an expense, it's going to be about halfway down here in this large box, tags. And again, that's available on any transaction type. So invoices, available there, and deposits, it's available there. So how do I manage tags? There are two ways to get to the tag screen. You can go to gear icon, top right, under lists and tags. Or you can go to banking on the left-hand side and tags. Okay, this is your tag management screen. You can set up tags within groupings, or you can set up an uncategorized tag outside of that grouping. So let's add a new tag called sales rep. Save. Okay, so we just set up a tag. This is an uncategorized tag, whereas our other two tags are set up under events. If you want to see our report, there are two reports available for tags. Go to the report screen and search tag. We have a profit and loss by tag group and a transaction list by tag group. I'm going to select the profit and loss, all dates. And there are two options here. You can select ungrouped tags, or you can select a group of tags. So I'm going to select my events tags and hit run report. And here we see I have two events. I have a golf tournament and a motorcycle ride that I wanted to track income for without creating a separate account. So I just wanted to see, I want to be able to run this report separately and say, okay, here's my product sales and here's my service sales for these two events. If I had expenses related, they would show down here as well. So do I need to use tags? No. Tags should only be used if you have a specific purpose or metric you want to track. Otherwise, just ignore it. It's overcomplicating things. Some suggested uses would be marketing and fundraising campaigns, events, tracking sales reps, location, adding detail for expenses by building or by a specific piece of equipment. It can prevent overcomplicating a profit and loss or a balance sheet report. Instead of adding an account for each piece of equipment, you could have one equipment account and then have a tag for each equipment. So it simplifies some of your other reporting if you add the detail in tags. Pros and cons. Both a pro and a con is there's no guardrails. So you can do this however you want, but there's a chance that you're going to miss transactions. There's no reminder to add a tag. So it's very free format. Also, there's only two reports available at this time. So the reporting functionality is very limited. That's all for today, and good luck, and happy QuickBooks accounting.